humans are the most fascinating and complex creatures on the planet. But even with all that we know about ourselves, there are still some incredible, little-known scientific facts that might just blow your mind. Over the next few minutes, we're going to dive into 5 mind-bending truths about the human body and mind that you've probably never heard before. Fact 1. You have more bacterial cells than human cells. It's true. Scientists estimate that the average person's body is home to around 39 trillion bacterial cells, while human cells only make up about 30 trillion. That means over half of the cells in your body aren't even human. These bacteria live all over and inside us, on our skin, in our mouths, and especially in our gut. They play a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. In fact, researchers have found that the diversity and balance of our gut bacteria can have a major impact on both our physical and mental health. Why do we have them? As we evolved on this planet, we become exposed to different bacteria and viruses. We get infected, and then we develop an immunity to them. Put another way, the system we call our bodies achieve a state of balance with them, and then they remain with us from then on, forever. We pass them on to our children, who then acquire our immunities, and they then develop immunities which they pass on. And that's how we end up with all these bacteria. When our immune systems are compromised, these bacteria begin to get rowdy and cause problems with the body system, or the bacteria mutate and our immune systems have to adapt. So instead of freaking out and thinking of these bacteria as invaders, you should think of them as a suit that allows you to live on this planet. Pretty mind-blowing, right? Fact 2. You can smell fear. Humans can actually smell when other people are afraid. That's because our bodies release certain chemicals called pheromones when we experience strong emotions like fear. These pheromones have a distinct odor that our highly sensitive noses can detect, even if we're not consciously aware of it. Studies have shown that people can accurately identify the scent of fear in sweat samples from others who were afraid. Interestingly, this ability seems to be more pronounced in women, who tend to have a better sense of smell than men. Researchers believe this fear-detecting superpower may have evolved as a survival mechanism, helping our ancestors quickly identify threats in their environment. So the next time you get that uneasy feeling around someone, it might not just be your imagination. Your nose could be picking up on their fear. Spooky, right? Fact 3. You can see infrared light. Infrared is part of the electromagnetic spectrum that sits just beyond the visible light range, so it's normally invisible to the naked eye. However, a recent study found that some people can detect infrared light as a faint glow or hazy vision. This ability seems to be linked to a genetic mutation that allows the eye's light-sensing cells to pick up on those extra-long wavelengths. Interestingly, this superpower is more common in women and tends to decline with age. So the next time you're outside on a clear night, try focusing your gaze on the horizon. You might just be able to see a faint reddish glow that no one else can perceive. Fact 4. Your diving reflex. Humans are born with a diving reflex that can shut down certain bodily functions when submerged in water. This reflex is an evolutionary adaptation present in all mammals that helps us survive drowning. When the face is submerged in cold water, sensors in the skin trigger the brain to slow the heart rate, divert blood away from the extremities, and reduce oxygen consumption. This conserves oxygen and protects vital organs like the brain. The diving reflex is strongest in infants and young children, but it persists throughout life, though it becomes less pronounced as we age. It can be triggered even by splashing cold water on the face or cold showers. Fact 5. Identical twins don't have the same fingerprints. Even though identical twins share the same genetic makeup, their fingerprints are not identical. This is because environmental factors during development in the womb, such as the position of the umbilical cord, the rate of finger growth, and the overall position in the womb, all contribute to the unique patterns that form on each twin's fingertips. There you have it. I hope these facts have given you a new appreciation for the incredible complexity and capabilities of the human form. As you go about your day, keep an eye out for these hidden wonders all around you. Who knows what other amazing things our bodies are capable of? Let me know in the comments if you have any other surprising human facts to share. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more.